Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic Electra Glide. This bike has under 23,000 miles on it and is in basically near mint condition. Haven't really found any marks or anything like that. I found one little tiny rock chip on the front fender. So let's take our walk around it and then we'll fire it up and show you the highlights that are on it. And I don't even know if you'll hardly be able to see that. Well, I guess you can in the camera. Right there. That's really the only thing I've found on this bike so far. So, one little tiny rock chip. So let's call it awesome, huh? Comes with the Oem Highway Lights, air dams, highway bars, footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger. It's got all the Ultra Classic Electra Glide radio gauges. Tour pack, hard side saddlebags with bag guards. So this bike also does have a power commander. It also has a stage 1 kit with a K&N air filter along with S&S pipes. Tires on this bike are still in excellent condition, plenty of miles left on them. And again, bag guards, footboards. This also has a heel toe shifter. And then again, paint matched air dams with the highway bars. Just a really, really nice, clean Ultra. And it also has these lower air deflectors on both sides. $22,670 is what's on it. I like the sounds of those pipes. This Ultra Classic Electra Glide will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.